Greetings, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. Friends, today there's amazing news. A bonus stimulus check has been approved by lawmakers. These hazard paychecks are going in several states. And many Americans, including those that worked during the crisis, will be able to claim this extra relief cash. So my friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for the updated details on this new stimulus money. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. To enter the giveaways, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway.
Madam Speaker, over 6 years ago, our former colleague Carlos Curbelo and I launched the Climate Solutions Caucus to have a bipartisan effort to address climate change, and we did it because where we live in South Florida, climate change is not a partisan issue. Republican and Democratic leaders alike, Republican and Democratic business leaders, elected officials, all understand that sunny day flooding, climate, the sea level rise wrought by climate change, it's happening right now, and we need to respond to it. And so we launched action here to try to responsibly address climate change, just as so many are in South Florida and around the country. But over the past 7 years, we've seen the 7 years that we've just endured are the 7 hottest years on record. In 2021, the U.S. endured over 20 weather disasters costing $1 billion or more. Hurricanes and floods and wildfires, all of them made worse by climate change. Last year, there were at least 688 people who died in the...
Hundreds of thousands of first responders, medical workers, meat packers, and grocery clerks in Minnesota are in line for a $750 bonus check for remaining on the job as the crisis had raged. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz signed a bill into law, and it allocates a total of $500 million to cover the one-time payments for an estimated 667,000 frontline workers, who state officials said can expect checks in about 10 to 12 weeks. It also provides $2.7 billion to replenish Minnesota's unemployment trust fund. These bonus payments follow months of debate, with the additional Hero Pay checks first proposed in Minnesota last July. Advocates have thanked lawmakers for approving this relief, and according to CBS News, Mary Turner, president of the Minnesota Nurses Association, said that equals groceries. That's money that can be put back into their savings account. So it is important. To be eligible for the payments, employees need to have worked 120 hours between March 15, 2020 and June 30th, 2021, and have not received unemployment benefits for more than 20 weeks. And according to the state's website, individuals who made more than $85,000 a year will not be eligible. The Biden administration's Department of Agriculture has also announced plans to send individual crisis relief grants of up to $600 to meatpacking and farm workers as part of a new food and farm workers relief grant program that will reimburse workers for crisis-related expenses, including childcare and personal protective equipment. The money will be distributed through state agencies and many organizations. Additional funds will be set aside for a pilot program to also aid grocery store workers. Tom Vilsack has told reporters, "I think the goal here is to try to provide as many of these workers as possible with $600 in payment. We're going to see how far we can stretch this $700 billion. The total funding set aside for the grant program is a fraction of what the federal government has disbursed to the business owners in crisis-related aid. Millions of Californians are also set to receive inflation relief payments after an agreement was reached on the 2022 to 2023 state budget. According to a joint statement from state leaders, the centerpiece of the agreement which is a $17 billion inflation relief package, will offer tax refunds to millions of working Californians. 23 million Californians will benefit from the direct payments of up to $1,050. Taxpayers would receive either $350, $250, or $200 based on their income level, with an additional payment of the same amount if they have at least one dependent. Single filers who make less than $75,000 will receive $350, and then joint filers with an income under $150,000 will receive $700. And if they have at least one dependent, they will receive an additional $350. This package will also include a suspension of the state sales tax on diesel and additional funds to help people pay their rent and utility bills. Funds will also go towards securing additional power generating capacity for the summer, accelerating clean energy in the future, and expanding the ability to prepare for and respond to severe wildfires. Gasoline prices also continue to fall in Los Angeles area and across California. According to AAA, the national average for a gallon of regular unleaded gasoline dropped to $5.84 on Friday. That is down 18 cents from a week ago and 55 cents from a month ago. Statewide, the average is $5.79 a gallon. New data from the Energy Information Administration indicates that demand for gasoline is down from last year, which is resulting in lower prices. AAA said in a news release, if gas demand remains low, alongside a continuing reduction in crude prices, drivers will likely see pump prices decline. Friends, the key word for this video is Turtle Mountain. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Turtle Mountain, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Friends, remember, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. Well, my fabulous and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Saturday. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching and listening to my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Ro G. Congratulations, dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.